Let's install these premium in-channel window visors by JeepHouse. Made from high-quality acrylic, they're built for strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. The 4-door set includes 2 front visors and 2 rear visors, with optional 3M tape on the rear for a more permanent install. Start by lowering your windows. Take a damp cloth or wet wipe and place it over a flat tool, such as a flat blade, plastic trim tool, or small screwdriver. Use this to thoroughly clean inside the window channels, making sure to remove any dirt or debris for a secure fit. Start with the front window visor. Insert the visor into the top right corner of the window channel and carefully work your way down along the channel to the end. Make sure the lip of the visor is sticking outward, as shown here. This is important to keep the visor securely in place. When installed, it should look like this. For the rear visors, insert them at an angle. Once inside the window channel, straighten the visor and push it upward into place. Once installed, it should look like this, and your window will roll up with no problem. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our full catalog at jeephouse.co.